Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim $100 free funded account that you can use to start trading with without stress. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on the details that I will be giving you. And to get into this account can be quite tricky, so all you have to do is just make sure you follow me closely and you listen attentively, and make sure you watch to the end, because most of you come back to my DM to ask for questions that I've already explained in the video. You don't take your time to watch the videos, and not taking your time to watch the video bears different questions that have already been explained in the video. Please do well to take your time to watch the video. Thank you. So how do you get this account? How do you get this 100,000 free funded account? All you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of the video to take you to my Telegram channel. Once you get there, do not forget, click on join. You join the channel. Join the channel. Joining the channel gives you more access, gives you more to give you more opportunities to videos that I've not even posted, and details and information that I've passed on the channel before bringing them to YouTube. So please do well to join the channel. After joining the channel, all you have to do is just go ahead to click on the link that will bring you right to this part here. Before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you've been watching videos from this channel and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. It is very important. Subscribing to the channel gives you more leverage to the videos that I post. It gives you more access to the videos that I post. Most of the videos that I post, the bonus don't last long. So subscribing to the channel notifies you that I've dropped new videos, and you get access to the videos and the bonuses faster than people who have not subscribed to the channel. Please, it is very important to subscribe, and also subscribing to the channel motivates me to drop more videos for you guys. It shows that you all are interested in making money. So please do well to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. So now let's head to how we can get the bonus. After clicking on the link, all you have to do is just click on start trading right here. As you can see shown on the screen, click on start trading here. And after clicking on start trading, then you have this right showing on your screen. The next thing you want to do is to open an account with them. As you can see, this is a contest login. So as we are new clients, we are going to click on create an account. So we are going to be opening an account with them. For us to get this free funded account right here, so here we have the next stage that we need to do. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to be dropping our email that we're using to get our details from this particular broker. So after putting your email, the next thing we want to do is to continue to drop the details that it is required of us. So the next thing we want to do is to put in our name, your country of residence, your phone number, put your password, and so after putting your details right here, all you have to do is just scroll up and click on this part right here. Please, it is very important that you click on this part so you don't miss out on the details. So you are going to customize your demo account. You click on it and choose the platform you want to be trading from. So you go ahead and click on MetaTrader 5. Do not forget, you click on MetaTrader 5. Then you have this your account standard there. You have the currency, your leverage. Don't forget, you pick the highest and it's there already. And this is our account balance that we're going to be choosing. That's the $100K free funded account. So after doing all of this, all you have to now do is to go ahead and click on create account right here. So we're going to wait patiently for this to load and give us the next details that we need to do. So we have this after creating an account with them. This is where you have your client portal login. So all we are going to do now is to go ahead and click on login, or we can choose to go to our email and get our login details direct to our MetaTrader 5. This is my MetaTrader 5 login. So I'm just going to copy my login details and add to my MetaTrader 5, sign into my account and get the account started so I can get started with trading. So this is my MetaTrader 5 account. I'm just going to click on this plus sign right here and search for the broker, which is Vantage. The broker we'll be searching for is Vantage International. Vantage. Sage International Group Limited. That is what you'll be going for, as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my login details right here. Put in my login details. As you can see right here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on login. So I'm just going to wait for my account to show right here. As you can see, it's still connecting. I'm going to wait patiently for this account to connect so I can get my account. And showing on the screen is my $100,000 account that I can get started with trading. As you can see right here, once you click on trade right here, you click on trade, and here you have, once you click on trade right here you have your $100,000 account that you can get started with. All you have to do is just go to quotes and pick on the pairs that you want to trade with right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. And as for the terms and conditions regarding withdrawals for this particular account, I'm going to be dropping it in my Telegram channel, so please do well to join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'll see you in my next video.